Hey everybody, welcome to Roy Cooks. Appreciate you joining. Folks, we did a seafood boil recently, like the last week, and I had some shrimp left over. I was like, what to do with this shrimp? Folks, it's seasoned in a boil. It's some great tasting shrimp. Trust me. We're gonna make a shrimp cocktail for you. I'm gonna show you how to make that cocktail sauce right after this. Be right back.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with the beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
All right, folks, this cocktail sauce is super easy. I think it was taught to me way back when I was a teenager by my Aunt Dawn, I think. But it's no exact recipe. You just kind of mix it up, taste it, see if you need a little bit extra of this or that. But I'm going to show you just a basic recipe. Of course, just add to it as you want. So we're going to start off with about a cup of ketchup. That is going to be the main ingredient for our sauce. All right, there you go. Bunch of ketchup. Go on in. Get it all out of there. All right. Get it all off there. There we go. All right. Next thing we need some Worcestershire sauce, folks. All right, so we got a cup of ketchup. We're going in with, let's see, a couple tablespoons, I think it is. A couple tablespoons, that's 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, and if you dump a little more in there, don't worry about it. It'll be all right. It'll be good, folks. All right, next thing is some lemon juice. Got that out of the way. Lemon juice. Let's go. Lemon juice. We need about one teaspoon. It's not much. All right, 1 teaspoon is going to be back over here. Let's see. I think it's this one right here. Come on, get out of there. 1 teaspoon. There we go. If you mix a little more in there, that's fine. That's fine. That's cool. All right, that's a little bit more. That's fine. Now this is where you get your heat from, folks. Get you some good horseradish sauce. I like this Beaver brand. It's extra hot, and I can't handle heat like I used to, but folks, this is what you need if you want to make some good cocktail sauce. Get you some really good horseradish. That totally makes it. And this is not even open yet. How about that? Goodness gracious. Look, fresh bottle. How about that? All right, let's go with 2 teaspoons. All right, 2 teaspoons horseradish. And you notice I'm doing heaping teaspoons, okay? There you go. Now horseradish is going to add all the flavor to this, folks. I'm telling you, it's amazing. All right, now what you do, just stir this up. Give it a good mix. And then what we're going to do, once this is all mixed up really good, we're going to chill this in the fridge for, I'd say 2-3 hours. You know, you can go less than that, but I'd say if you really want to get the flavors all mingled together, you know, like I like to do, leave it in there a good 2-3 hours. That's what I usually do. All right, and I'll stick this in the fridge. We will bring it back here in a little bit. Oh, we got to taste this, don't we? Yeah, let's taste this real quick, folks. Let's see. That's hunting. Yep, I think we're good, folks. Go bring this inside, sit it in the fridge, let it chill out. I don't know, a couple hours. We'll bring y'all right back. Let me get you up here where I can see you. So we'll back you back out here. You can see me, but we'll bring y'all right back after this is chilled in the fridge for a couple hours, and we'll show you the cocktail shrimp final dish. Be right back. All right, guys, here we go. Shrimp cocktail at your service, baby. Let's give this a shot, man. Look how beautiful this is. Just stuck some ice in the very bottom of a glass. Put some lettuce around the top. Put some shrimp around with the glass in the middle that's got the sauce, the cocktail sauce. Let's give it a shot, see what it is. I'm gonna tell you what, folks, if you got leftover shrimp from any kind of seafood boil, that's always better than that steamed shrimp you get on a regular cocktail, shrimp cocktail appetizer somewhere. This shrimp's in boil. It's got some flavor in it. And that cocktail sauce too. Here we go, folks. Moment of truth. Down the hatch. Folks, that's out of bounds, man. That's so good. That cocktail sauce is amazing. Very simple. 4 ingredients. Very simple. Keep it real. Just make it the way you want. You know, if it's got a little bit too much heat, maybe add a little bit less horseradish or add some more ketchup. If it's not quite citrusy enough, add some more lemon juice. You know, if you like that rich, deep flavor, you add some more Worcestershire. I'm just telling you, folks. I didn't add salt and pepper to this either. It's just the way it is. But folks, these shrimp that I cooked in a good seafood boil, like y'all know, y'all seen me do some crawfish boils and stuff, other seafood boils in the past. Tell you what, boy, it don't get much better than having some boiled shrimp in a Cajun boil in your cocktail sauce. Jamming. C'est bon du relais. Ain't that right? Yeah, I think that's what he said. Been a while. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this. If y'all did, give me some thumbs up. Hope you share the video, folks. When you do, please tell all your friends. T. Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. We'll see y'all next time.